Microsoft will be making headlines next week with a big AI event on Monday, where companies must deliver to stay ahead in the competitive landscape. What's new? Following on from Google's updates this week, Microsoft's big event is part of their Build Developers Conference, where we expect major AI announcements from current leaders in the field. The focus will be on Copilot, the flagship AI assistant. Microsoft has been aggressively marketing Copilot to businesses this year, incorporating it into PC keyboards and into ads during the NBA playoffs. A new CEO has also been appointed to oversee Microsoft AI, and Copilot will be a major focus. Copilot costs $30 per user per month, a big investment for businesses, but investors are still not sure how sales will turn out, despite Microsoft's heavy advertising push. Conversations with several CTOs and other executives responsible for purchasing tools like Copilot yielded mixed feedback. None are ready for large-scale use yet, but most have done small-scale testing with a few hundred employees. But there were also positive comments. Most executives praised how Copilot integrates with video meetings in the Teams app and provides useful transcripts and summaries. It's also useful for email correspondence. A common challenge was knowing how to use Copilot effectively, with many users indicating they needed more training because they weren't sure which prompts to use to get the best results from Copilot. Some companies are exploring alternatives, developing custom AI assistants using tools from Facebook and other providers, which are more affordable and tailored to their specific needs. Nonetheless, Microsoft has shared some promising updates. For instance, Coca-Cola is testing Copilot internally, and IT company Cognizant has purchased 25,000 Copilot seats for its employees. There is a general consensus that AI tools like Copilot will eventually become standard in the workplace. Everyone agrees that AI tools like Copilot will improve over time and become as essential as email. This isn't a passing trend like the metaverse. It's here to stay. More updates from Microsoft are expected next week with a strong focus on AI advancements. With first-mover advantage, Microsoft has the potential to set the standard in the AI market. Although it's been relatively quiet around their story lately, companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon have been leading conversations in the market. New technologies often start expensive. The focus will be on productivity. As productivity increases, prices are expected to come down at the enterprise level and consumer level, making these tools more immersive for most users. Despite the challenges, Microsoft's infrastructure and ongoing development suggest a strong future for Copilot. Integrating AI into the system, such as the new Copilot button on the hardware, shows a commitment moving forward. Other technology companies such as NVIDIA and cybersecurity companies such as CrowdStrike and Palo Alto are also doing well, indicating a robust technology market. When it comes to cybersecurity, the need for improved data protection continues to grow. Companies like Palo Alto, which have recently faced market challenges due to the increasing frequency of data breaches, are expected to recover and gain momentum. A focus on cybersecurity remains important, as businesses must continue to protect their data. The launch of Copilot comes at a time when the AI market is brimming with potential. Microsoft's strategy includes not only software but also hardware integration, such as the Copilot key on new PC keyboards. This type of integration suggests that Microsoft is betting that AI will become ubiquitous in everyday work. This synergy between hardware and software is reminiscent of historic technology transitions, such as the introduction of GUIs to operating systems and the mouse as a standard peripheral. The impact on productivity is significant. Copilot's ability to summarize meetings, manage emails, and assist with daily tasks frees up employees' time to focus on the more complex and creative aspects of their work. This is where the true value of AI lies. AI augments human capabilities, not simply replaces them. Yet, the pricing model is a sticking point. At $30 per user per month, the cost can add up quickly for large enterprises. While early adopters like Cognizant and Coca-Cola are willing to experiment, widespread adoption will likely depend on Microsoft's ability to demonstrate a clear return on investment. If Copilot can tangibly improve productivity and efficiency, the initial cost may be justified. However, this requires robust, demonstrable results. Training is another critical aspect. The mixed feedback from executives highlights a significant challenge: user proficiency with AI tools. Many users struggle with knowing how to interact with AI effectively. This is a common issue with new technologies, where initial user experience can greatly influence long-term adoption. Microsoft will need to invest in user education, providing comprehensive training and support to help users understand how to maximize Copilot's capabilities. Moreover, the competition in the AI space is fierce. Google, Meta, and Amazon are all making significant strides with their AI technologies. Google's recent announcements have set high expectations, and Meta is leveraging its vast social data to create personalized AI experiences. Amazon, with its cloud dominance, is integrating AI into its AWS offerings, making it accessible to a broad range of industries. Microsoft's advantage lies in its existing ecosystem. Office 365, Teams, and Azure provide a ready platform for integrating Copilot. This ecosystem approach can create a seamless user experience where AI tools are naturally embedded into the daily workflow. However, Microsoft must continuously innovate to stay ahead, ensuring that Copilot offers unique features and capabilities that competitors can't easily replicate. The broader tech market's performance, particularly in cybersecurity, also impacts Microsoft. Companies like CrowdStrike and Palo Alto Networks are crucial players in this space, responding to an increasing number of cyber threats. As data breaches become more common and sophisticated, robust cybersecurity measures are essential. Microsoft, with its Azure cloud services, is well positioned to integrate advanced cybersecurity features, offering a comprehensive solution that combines productivity tools with security. Looking ahead, Microsoft's upcoming AI event will be closely watched by the industry. Expectations are high, and the announcements could set new benchmarks for what AI can achieve in the workplace. The focus will likely be on demonstrating practical applications of AI, showing how Copilot and other tools can transform daily business operations. Microsoft's push with Copilot and its broader AI initiatives marks a significant moment in the tech industry. The company's ability to navigate pricing challenges, improve user training, and stay ahead of the competition will determine its success. As AI becomes an integral part of modern work life, Microsoft's strategy could shape the future of how businesses operate, potentially setting new standards in productivity and efficiency. The upcoming event will be a crucial indicator of how Microsoft plans to lead in this rapidly evolving landscape.